Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add text effects to your videos in CapCut. So to do that, it's pretty simple. Just open up the CapCut project, then tap on the text where you would like to where you would like to add effects, then tap on style, and this menu is going to appear on the bottom of the screen where you can select the effects tab, which is going to be the fourth one. And from here, you can select any type of text effect. As you can see, there are many styles. You can even change the different approaches, and you can apply any type of effect. As you can see, there are color-coded effects as well as multicolor effects. So yeah, there are lots and lots of options. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider sending a super thanks donation, and see you in the next one.